Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on how to make this, and I thought, how cool would it make it to look a little three-dimensional? Now, a lot of people would say, well, use the distort tool. I find it a lot easier not to. I am going to set my nudge factor on like 0.1, and I am going to make a duplicate of this section and hit it 3 times and then down. Okay? I'm going to take my virtual segment delete key and delete lines I should not be able to see. Now on this side, I need to take a 2-point line and kind of go from there to there. Take my virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now, I'm going to go ahead and move this all out of the way. Well, I guess that'll work. No, let's just leave it. Then take this one, Control D to make a duplicate. We still got our nudge factor set low. We're going to move it, those 3 same, and maybe even down a little bit. That's your personal preference. I would go ahead and take away the lines you shouldn't be able to see. We shouldn't be able to see this line. And then we're going to use the same 2-point line down here to fill in that gap, which would kind of make it look like it's one piece. Now, I'm going to set my nudge factor a little higher now, like 10 inches. Because I want to take this red and fill it in there and nudge it over twice, fill it in there and nudge it over twice. And then I can take this red and I'm going to nudge it down and take this red and nudge it down. I don't normally delete stuff, so I'm going to move it up. So I'm going to move these back. You've got them both selected. Hold down your control button. Let's zoom in here. You can kind of see it more. Select both those, hold down your control button, and add a little black and make that darker. Now we could group them together, and then that way we could actually make it darker even more later. But that looks pretty three-dimensional, if I say so myself. Adds a lot to it, especially if you put a black background on it. And there's probably a couple other things you could do, but I think I've taken it far enough. Hope that helps somebody someday, and thank you for watching.